All right, here we are. We're going to demonstrate the 123 load board on the mobile phone. So you click on the app, and the app will open up into a search page. Now, if you go up here and you press the little spyglass there, that'll open up the search page, and you can click current location. And if you click on radius, you can pick a radius 10 all the way up to 1,000. We'll pick 100. And then where you want to go to, you can either pick search and put a city and state in there, or you just pick anywhere. And then you can go down and pick equipment and pick what type of trailer you have. We have a van, so there it is. You can pick weight and length and pickup date. Any will bring all those, but let's say Monday and Tuesday of next week. We'll pick those dates, hit search. Now the loads will populate, and they will be in order from shortest deadhead all the way down to the longest deadhead. So if we want to look at this Roseville, Michigan to Shiloh, Ohio load, we'll click on it, and then all the parameters for that load will come up. Now, the rate check, where it says 257 average rate, that's the average rate for that lane. That's not what the load's paying, that's just the average. That means when you call the broker, you can ask for more, it might pay less, but you can negotiate, right? You negotiate. So if you want to call the broker, you just hit the call button, and then the phone number will come up. But we don't want to do that right now. And you can hit note or share. If you hit share, then it'll come up and you can share it by message or email to another driver or a friend in the business that might be looking for a load. The next tab you click on there is Backhauls. So if we did go there, they're showing Shiloh back to Richville, Michigan. There's 25 loads, 22. Going anywhere is 257. Ohio to Michigan, 22. Anywhere is 288. So if I just want to say, okay, I want to go back to Michigan, right? I could just hit the 22, and it's going to show me the loads going back to Michigan. All right. So let's click on Columbus to Bay City. The rate check says 358. So there's the backhauls again. There's your rate check. Now, a good thing with this rate check is that it'll show you the miles, your revenue. It'll show you the toll cost, if there's any tolls on that route. Estimated fuel cost by the miles per gallon that you program into it, that your truck gets. So it's saying if I took that load and got that rate, I'd profit about $864.76 on that rate. Now, the next one's credit rating. This will show you if the trans credit score and if there's a Thunder funding score will be underneath it. This one doesn't have Thunder underneath it, but we'll show you one that does so you can see what we're talking about. If you click on map and tolls, click PC Miler. This will bring you up to map view. And if you hit route view, it'll show you the routes that you take to get there. Company, it'll show the broker that has that load. So we'll go back to the loads, and we'll scroll down here to this one where Allen Lund is the broker. See, here's the credit rating. This is what I'm showing you. Thunder's funding funds this broker. Their credit score of Thunder is A. 36 days to pay. The days to pay in the last 60 days was 28. The last 90 days is 27. They've had 119 trade experiences with them. In the last 60 days, 28, 27, and so forth. It shows their last payment date. Okay? That's how that works. Now you can click right next to that spyglass is the map. If you click on the map, it brings up a nice map view of loads, and you can scroll this map over, hit search area, and then it'll search that bigger area. You see that? So if I want to see all the loads around the Grand Rapids area, just south of there's 9, just above there's 3. So if I click on the 9, it'll open up the box, and I can look at those 9 loads. Right? I can scroll through those 9 loads. Now the next one next to the map, the menu button shows the shortest deadhead. You can sort it by deadhead, date, posting age, shortest distance, longest distance, highest paid rate. Okay? So we'll go back over here to the menu button in the top left, and when you scroll down, you got all kinds of things that you could do. We'll show some more stuff in another video. This is just a real quick video on how to use this nice mobile app that they put out. You hit the rate check. Now we're going to say from Davison, Michigan to Columbus, Ohio. If we hit that and we pick van and we say get rate, it's $2.57 a mile is the average rate for that lane. And if we hit the little button next to the towns, 2 arrows, it'll flip them and show the rate coming back. So Columbus will be on top, Davis will be on the bottom, and $3.58 a mile coming back. All right, so that's a good little demonstration of the 123 load board. So if you want to try it out for 30 days, go to 123loadboard.com, put in the code 48035. That's 48035. You get all their features for $35. You get a 30-day free trial and $35 a month after that, and you get all their features. So try it out.